Good morning, class. Today we are going to be going over measurement, and later we're going to have an activity that will help you get to measure instruments and use your skills of measuring. But first, we're going to go over the difference between inches and centimeters. So can anybody tell me the difference? Good. So centimeters are a metric unit, and inches are the American Standard Unit. And centimeters are smaller than inches. Very good. So now we're going to watch a little video that will get us ready to measure.
My new ruler is bright blue. It measures me and it measures you. Measures length and width and height. My super ruler is alright. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement. I got a scale to stand on. And it weighs that, and it weighs more. It tells me pounds or kilograms. It tells my weight is just so grand. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement. I got a glass thermometer. It tells me each day's temperature. Celsius or Fahrenheit. My thermometer's out of sight. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement.
How high is it?
Use a thermometer.
How long is it?
Use a ruler.
How heavy is it?
Use a scale.
How much time did it take?
Press the stop clock.
How high is it?
Read the degrees.
How long is it?
Read the inches.
How heavy is it?
Read the pounds.
How much time did it take?
Read the seconds. Rulers help me measure things. How much I've grown or length of string.
You're growing.
Measures inches and feet too. Just like the foot that's in my shoe. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement. Scales are real cool. My class has one, these at school. Weights in ounces or in pounds. Tells me when weight goes up or down. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement. Thermometer, it's cold or hot, like the one my doctor's got. I measure air or measure seas. Measures temperature in degrees. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement.
How high is it?
Use a thermometer.
How long is it?
Use a ruler.
How heavy is it?
Use a scale.
How much time did it take?
Press the stop clock.
How high is it?
Read the degrees.
How long is it?
Read the inches.
How heavy is it?
Read the pounds.
How much time did it take?
Read the seconds. Measurement is fun for me. Just come and try and then you'll see. Find the height or weight or time. My favorite thing is measurement.
Okay, so what are some things that we saw being measured in that video? Good, they measured height and weight. Good. Okay, so for the next thing, they're going to be using instruments, so I would split them into groups of 3 or 4, and each group would have a pile of instruments, but I don't have the instruments, so I'm just going to tell you what they would be doing. So first, I would be using the projector, and I would demonstrate how they would be measuring, so I would explain as I do it. And then the next thing is that I would be doing it again, but this time I would be asking them the steps and asking them questions about why I did that and having them explain, so it's a little bit more guided. And then for the independent practice, that's why they're in the groups, so they would have the instruments, and then I would just give them a little bit of time to measure the instruments and kind of explore for themselves. And then for the close, I would have them clean up the instruments, and then I would bring them back together as a large group, and they would discuss what they've learned and how they measured and what instruments are longer and which instruments are shorter and how they knew that.